Today we're going to talk about reverse sneezing in dogs. This is something exclusive to dogs. Dogs can have this type of inward respiratory change called a reverse sneeze that looks really scary. And it looks like they can't catch their breath. Pet owners really panic when they see this happen. And it's not a medical concern. It's not a scary, urgent situation. They can breathe. It just looks really scary. I'm going to attach a video of a reverse sneeze so you can see if this is what your pet is doing. And it can be something that just happens when there's inflammation from environmental allergies, irritation at the back of the throat. It's not a concern, but it is easy to panic about it.